Good morning, students. Today we are going to have the topic Gauss Divergence Theorem. Already we completed two videos based on this problem. We are going to continue the same problem. Okay. Now we are in the already we done the right side term. Okay, we got some answer, and we are in left hand side. For that we need to proceed this table. So half of the table we already completed in the last class. Now we are going to complete the table in today's class. Okay. Yes, the next column is what? F dot n cap. That is the we need to find. F dot, we already know the problem. Yes. Now we are going to have the dot product with this n cap. Okay. So F vector is what? Yes, 4xz I vector minus. Yes, the problem is what? Minus y square j vector plus yz k vector. This is called F vector, which is given the problem. Now we will take dot product with this n cap. Okay. So here n cap is what? I vector. That means I want to take I coefficient. Okay, which is 4xz. The next thing is what? Minus I vector. That means the answer is negative of this. Okay, which is minus 4xz. And j vector coefficient is what? Minus y square. And negative of this is y square. And k vector coefficient is yz. And negative of that one is minus 4. Okay, the next thing is we are going to replace this equation in this case. Okay, just replace x as 1 here. That means the answer is what? 4 is it. X as 0, the value is 0. And y as 1, minus 1. Y as 0, which is 0. Z as 1, that is y. And Z as 0, that is 0. Okay, this way I want to fill the table. Okay, actually we will have one more column, that is we are going to separately find. Okay, so the column is what? Yes. Double integral over s is equal to, yes, there are 6 surfaces, right? So we are going to add all these 6. So S3, S4 and S5, okay, S6. Okay, how many things which is eliminated? There are 3 integrals which is eliminated. S2 is 0, S4 is 0, S6 is 0. That means we need to find 3 integrals. Okay, find the answer. Okay, now we are going to have double integral over h12. We will take the last column answer, which is dz. Okay, f dot n cap is 4z, and ds is what? D by dz. I want to combine these two columns. Okay, so which is 4z? Yes, d by dz. Okay, and the next thing is what? Yeah, that is later we will do. Okay, yes. So now we are going to have the limit. So the limit from y limit, which is from 0 to 1, and z is also from 0 to 1. Okay, and the remaining is 4z d by dz. Okay, now integrate with respect to y. There is no y, you just add y, which is yz, limit from 0 to 1, then into dz. So 4, replace the limit for y. Okay, so upper limit is 1, which is z, and lower limit is 0. That means the answer is what? Z dz. Integration of z is what? Yes, z square by 2 and limit from 0 to 1. Finally, the answer is 2. Okay, we got one integral. We will move on to the next one. S3. S3 is what? Yes, we will just combine first and last column, which is yes, these two. Okay. Yes, minus 1 into dz dx. That is for S3. And double integral over, just take minus outside. The remaining dz dx. Now the limit, which is from, because all the 3 limits are same, right? Just take 0 to 1, 0 to 1. And minus outside. Integration of dz is what? Z. So we'll have z 0 to 1, then dx. Upper limit is 1, so we will get 1 minus 0 as 1. Then remaining is minus integral dx, limit from 0 to 1. Finally, the answer is integration of dx is x, limit from, as usual, which is 0 to 1. Finally, the answer is what? Minus 1. Okay. The next thing is, yes, 5. Okay, you will have the term y and dx dy. Okay, so y into dx dy. Okay, and take the limit, both are from 0 to 1, then y dx dy. Now integration with respect to x first. Okay, that means you are going to get the term as yx. And limit from 0 to 1, which is for x. So x equal to 1, then dy. Okay, then integral from 0 to 1, upper limit is 1, replace it for x. Okay, we will get y and into dy. Integration of y is what? Y square by 2. Limit from 0 to 1. Finally, we are going to get the answer as 1 by 2. Okay, yes, we need to add all those things. So the answer is S1 answer is 2, S2 is sorry, S3 is minus 1, S5 is 1 by 2. Finally, the answer is what? 3 by 2. This is our left hand side answer. Okay, already we got the right side answer, which is also 3 by 2. So from that we will say LH is equal to RHS. Hence, Gauss divergence theorem is verified. Okay. So first thing is, just I am going to recall all those things. So you have to mention the formula in the beginning. Then I have to find del dot f. After that, find the right side term. We will have the table and also the diagram. One by one, we just evaluate the interval. Finally, we need to check whether we are getting left and right. Both are equal. If it is equal, then the theorem is verified. Okay. So this way, we need to verify the problem. Okay. Thank you.